What's up YouTube, this is r/c Hobby Master here, back with another video and a review as well. So actually today we're going to be taking a look at this 110 scale RC car WRC, and this is actually a car that is actually a very good one, because I do have problems with this car over here, the one I reviewed last night. This is actually the small one. This is actually the Maestro 124 Ferrari. I have problems with that one, so I will be using the WRC car instead of the Ferrari one today to review for you. And as you can see as well, there was actually headlights on this car as well. If I turn this car around for you, if I just turn it around like that, and if I just point the camera towards the lights, you could see a small bit of light here. So if I do my best to point the camera here, you might be able to see a few lights. So that is actually very good as well, and it actually goes pretty fast as well. This is actually a toy grade RC. It's not a hobby grade RC, because I know we have arguments sometimes with toy grade and hobby grade RC cars. You would not know the difference, but this is actually a very good car for beginners. As you can see, it goes very fast. So this is actually a very good car. So actually, what we are going to do now is we're going to go over and take this thing for a spin, because I can't review the Ferrari at all, because I have huge problems with that one. So a big shout out as well to Tom Lee's RC Garage, Phil Morrison over in the United Kingdom. He's actually a very great YouTuber. Tom Lee's RC Garage, I subscribe to him as well, and he's actually an awesome YouTuber. Also, I want to give a shout out to another YouTuber. Now I can't remember his name, but it actually, I think it is rcdriver.com. I think it is RC Driver. I don't even know what that is, but I will give you a shout out anyway.
I'm going to try and get my Lamborghini.
Okay. So this is actually a toy grade RC car. So hit that subscribe button if you want to get notified for the next videos. But you can see we'll do it in here now. So this car is actually the one I'm going to be working on today, because I have problems with my Ferrari one. So when the Ferrari one gets fixed, I will do a video on that. Also as well in here, I have a huge problem in here, because this 116 scale truck over here, the wheel is off it. And if you're a YouTuber out there, I want you to tell me how to fix a wheel on your RC car, because this wheel over here, as you can see, this wheel fell off the car and it won't go back on. It won't go back on. So if any YouTubers out there, if you're an RC car enthusiast, you can tell me how to fix the wheel on your RC car, because I can't fix it on mine anyway, because I have problems with that. So we'll take this for a spin inside and see how it performs here. So it's actually a bad day for RC outside today because it's actually raining outside now. So I'll do the review in here this time. It's actually I'll do 2 more times now. So actually I'll point the camera down this way this time. And we'll see if you can see the car this time. Let's actually see if you can see the car this time. We'll do it over here this time. Over here. So actually, hopefully you can see the car on camera. It always wants to go somewhere else though, but it doesn't want to go straight for some reason. Always actually turns. Okay, so it always wants to go a different way here. So we'll turn it this way again and we'll see what I can do. Always wants to go somewhere else. This way again. That's actually all the video. And thanks for watching and hope you saw the car on camera. Okay. That's actually all the video. And hit the subscribe button for more RC reviews. Where's that thing gone? Yeah, so actually the car is actually very good. The actual only downside I have with it is that it doesn't go in a straight line. And it doesn't actually go well. So actually I'll just put this over here because the actual phone actually is acting up for me a bit. So actually, hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe. A huge shout out again to actually Tom Lee's RC Garage. He needs subscribers.